Hello, if you want to make your SD card as your default storage for your photos, videos, or whatever you download from your browser, then keep watching the video till the end. First of all, open your camera. After opening your camera, at the top left corner, you see a settings icon, so click on it. And see here's the storage location, just click there. Just select SD card. Okay, your SD card will be used to store videos, photos, and whatever you capture with your phone. But the problem is, if you download something from your browser, that might not be saved on your SD card. See how you need to do the same setting in your browser too. See how to do that? Let's go. So first open your browser. Now at the top right corner, click on the three dot icon. Now click on settings. Now scroll down a little bit. Now at the bottom side, the last second option, click on downloads. Now click on the first option, download location. If you want to set your SD card as your default storage, just select this SD card. And now click on done. That's it. So this is how you can make your SD card as default storage on your phone. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.